In this video we will tell you the specifications of the Samsung S22 Ultra. So first of all we will discuss the body of the Samsung S22 Ultra. Samsung S22 Ultra size is 163.3 x 77.9 x 8.9 mm. Samsung S22 Ultra approximately weight is 229 grams. Samsung is built with glass front Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, glass back Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, aluminum frame. So let's talk the Samsung display. Samsung S22 Ultra have the dynamic AMOLED 2X, 120Hz, HDR10+, 1750 nits, 6.8 inches, 114.7 cm2, 1440x3088 pixels 500 ppi density. Samsung S22 Ultra have the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. So let's talk the Samsung S22 Ultra chipset. Samsung have the Exynos 2200 Europe, Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Row, octa-core 1x2, 8 GHz Cortex-X2 and 3x2, 50 GHz Cortex-A710 and 4x1, 8 GHz Cortex-A510 Europe. So let's talk the Samsung S22 Ultra camera. Main camera is 108 megapixel, aperture 1.8, 23 mm, 1/1.33, 0.8 PDAF, laser AF, OIS. Second camera is 10 megapixel, aperture 4.9, 230 mm, 1/3.52, 1.12 dual pixel PDAF, OIS, 10x optical zoom. Third camera is 10 megapixel, aperture 2.4, 70 mm, 1/3.52, 1.12 dual pixel PDAF, OIS, 3x optical zoom. Fourth camera is 12 megapixel, aperture 2.2, 13 mm, 120 at 1/2.55, 1.4 dual pixel PDAF, super steady video FIR. Samsung have a video recording of 8K 24 fps, 4K 3060 fps, 1080p 3060 240 fps, 720p 960 fps, HDR10+, stereo sound rec, gyro eyes. So let's talk about the selfie camera. Samsung selfie camera is 40 megapixel, aperture 2.2, 26 mm, 1/2.82, 0.7 PDAF. Selfie camera recording is 4K 3060 fps, 1080p 30 fps. So let's talk the Samsung S22 Ultra memory. Samsung S22 Ultra memory have the 128GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 12GB RAM, 512GB 12GB RAM, 1TB 12GB RAM. So let's talk the Samsung battery. Li-ion 5000 mAh, non-removable, fast charging 45 watt, USB power delivery 3.0, fast Qi, PM wireless charging 15 watt, reverse wireless charging 5 watt. So let's talk the Samsung colors. Samsung S22 Ultra are available in 4 colors. For more mobile specifications, subscribe our channel.